Ever wondered who's battling it out with favepay in the exciting world of fintech? Today, we're diving deep into the competitive landscape of this innovative payment platform. Buckle up, because this is going to be a thrilling ride. Favepay, with its unique blend of rewards, cashback, and exclusive deals, has shaken up the traditional payment scene. But as with any disruptor, competition is fierce. So, who are the players vying for your attention and wallet share? Let's start with the big guns, traditional banks. Giants like Guarantee Trust Bank, Access Bank, and Zenith Bank boast extensive branch networks, loyal customer bases, and robust digital banking platforms. They're constantly evolving, offering mobile banking apps, online payment gateways, and even their own digital wallets. Strengths: deep pockets, established trust, and a wide range of financial products. Weaknesses: can sometimes be slow to innovate and may lack the agility of fintech startups. How favepay competes: by offering unique rewards, cashback, and exclusive deals that traditional banks may not consistently provide. Favepay also focuses on a more user-friendly and engaging digital experience. Next up, we have a wave of exciting fintech platforms. Flutterwave, a leading payment gateway processing transactions for businesses across Africa. Paystack, another major player in online payments, known for its developer-friendly API. MoneyPoint focuses on businesses, offering point-of-sale solutions and other financial services. Kuda, a digital bank gaining popularity for its user-friendly interface and competitive features. Strengths: often more agile and innovative, offering tailored solutions for specific customer segments. Weaknesses: may lack the established trust and extensive branch network of traditional banks. How favepay competes: by specializing in rewards and cashback, favepay differentiates itself from these platforms that primarily focus on payment processing and basic banking services. Mobile money platforms like MTN Mobile Money, Airtel Money, and Nine Mobile Money have a massive user base in Africa. They offer convenient ways to send and receive money, make payments, and even access basic financial services. Strengths: widespread reach and deep penetration in the African market. Weaknesses: may lack the sophistication and range of features offered by more advanced fintech platforms. How favepay competes: by focusing on rewards and exclusive deals, favepay can incentivize users to choose their platform over traditional mobile money services. Don't forget about existing loyalty programs. Airtel Rewards, MTN Rewards, and even airline loyalty programs offer points and rewards for customer engagement. Strengths: large existing customer bases and established brand loyalty. Weaknesses: may not offer the same level of flexibility and integration with various payment methods as dedicated fintech platforms. How favepay competes: by offering a more comprehensive and integrated rewards ecosystem that extends beyond traditional loyalty programs. So, what gives favepay an edge? Unique reward system: favepay's core strength lies in its innovative rewards program, offering cashback, exclusive deals, and a points system that can be redeemed across various partners. User-friendly interface: the platform is designed to be intuitive and easy to use, making it accessible to a wide range of users. Growing merchant network: favepay is constantly expanding its network of partner merchants, giving users more opportunities to earn rewards and save money. Strong focus on customer experience: favepay prioritizes customer satisfaction, providing excellent customer support and regularly seeking user feedback. The fintech landscape is dynamic and ever-evolving. Favepay faces stiff competition from established players and emerging startups. However, by leveraging its unique reward system, user-friendly platform, and strong focus on customer experience, favepay is well-positioned to continue its growth and success. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.